Are you looking to connect your custom domain to your Kajabi site and not sure which option is best for you? You're in the right place. Hi there, I'm Nadia. I am a Kajabi expert and I'm here to shed some light on all things systems and digital products for your online business. In this video, we will talk about domains and specifically how to connect your domain to your Kajabi website. So without further ado, let's get started. Most likely you purchase your domain on a website like GoDaddy, Bluehost, or maybe a Namecheap. I personally purchase all my domains on GoDaddy.com. I never had any issues with it. Pretty happy with the customer service and overall security features. So whether it's GoDaddy or Bluehost, it doesn't matter. Kajabi will be able to connect to either platform. So let's look at your Kajabi account and connect your domain. Now, when you click on settings and then domain, you will see that by default, your website has been assigned a name with mykajabi.com, which is Kajabi branding. So we want to add our custom domain and just go ahead and click on setup custom domain and you will be presented two options. You can either connect your domain to Kajabi or you can connect it via subdomain using a CNAME. It's a record in your DNS area. So now let's talk about some things to consider when you are trying to decide whether you want to use Kajabi or you want to stay on your registrar. So now let's talk about when you want to consider connecting your domain completely to Kajabi, meaning that all of the DNS records will be stored in Kajabi. Okay, so although you purchase your domain from say GoDaddy or Bluehost, you will be changing the name servers and all of the records, DNS records will be in Kajabi. For example, you are new, you just purchased your domain and kind of new to everything, so there is nothing really holding you back, then you can definitely do that and connect your domain to Kajabi. The second thing is that you plan or want to have all the things in Kajabi, including your website and of course all of your courses and other offers and membership area. However, consider this. Say in the future you want to move your website from Kajabi to elsewhere, say Wix or Squarespace. It will be easier actually if you connect your domain as a subdomain to Kajabi. It will just save you a lot of time in the future and switching from Kajabi to back to where you purchased your domain from. So it will just save you a lot of time and stress. So trust me, I've been there. We've moved websites and domains for many clients. So it does take time and a lot of effort to do that. So if you are okay with hosting your domain records, all the DNS records in Kajabi, and you're okay with having your website and all your courses in Kajabi as well, then you can connect your domain directly to Kajabi. However, the second option may be better for you if you already have an existing website and you are not planning to switch to Kajabi to host your website or to build your website there. You only want to use it, say, for email marketing, for your courses, maybe podcast. So that this way you will want to use the CNAME. Again, I personally use GoDaddy's name service. I did not switch all the way to Kajabi, so I connected my domain to Kajabi via CNAME. And this is the option we will be looking at in this tutorial. If you want to see the complete tutorial for the first option and connect your domain to Kajabi completely, then watch this tutorial or also linked it in the description. So now let's go back to the settings of our Kajabi account. And as mentioned in this tutorial, we will be connecting our domain via CNAME record. So option number 2, we will be creating a subdomain. For training purposes, I have my domain solositesolutions.online, and that's the one we will be connecting today. So on the domain name, you will want to put in your name, domain name. So that will be yourname.com or your name, website name.net or .org or whatever your domain reads. On a subdomain, again, if you are connecting your domain and you want to have your website and all the courses and everything then you will want to put in on the subdomain www. If you already have an existing website elsewhere and you are going to use Kajabi only for your online courses and to sell your offers, then you will want to use a different name, and that could be, there's some examples like courses, classes, academy, training. So really it can be any name. It's really up to you, whatever you choose to use. Just make sure that it's not being used anywhere else. So now I will be connecting it as a www because I'm planning on using this site as my main website. Okay, so the next step, we will need to add a new record to the DNS area. In this case, it's a CNAME, it's a type of the record. And here's something you will need to know. If you're connecting your domain as a main name, your website name, like I am doing it now, then I will need to change one of the records that I already have, because GoDaddy automatically creates the www name that's connected to GoDaddy website. However, I'm not using GoDaddy website, so I either need to delete it or change it. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete that record because I will not use a GoDaddy to host my website. I will be using Kajabi, and then I will be adding a new record, and that's a CNAME, and I'm gonna put in www. In your case, if you are connecting your main domain name, right, then you're gonna put in www. It could be courses, training, or academy, whatever that the word you chose. Then you're gonna put it in the name field, and in the value field, we will be adding this ssl.kajabi.com. Just copy and paste. And on the total, I'm going to change it to 14,400. It's advised by Kajabi if the total is not auto. Otherwise, it actually may take longer to connect or even give you an error at the end after 48 hours. Okay, once you add this DNS record, go back to Kajabi and click on Done Verify Domain. Now, if there's an error or anything, it actually will give you a kind of message right away. If everything is looking good on your end, which in most cases it will say that it's connecting, and it just will take time. This may take actually up to 48 hours, but from my experience, it's quite a quick process, and usually it took about 5 to 10 minutes to get connected. So don't be alarmed if you don't see any changes even after 24 hours. Again, it may take longer, but in most cases, it's a pretty quick process. Once your domain is connected, then you will be getting an email from Kajabi saying, congratulations, your domain is connected, and you should be able to access your website using the name that you've selected. As you can see, it's a pretty simple process to connect your domain to Kajabi using a CNAME if you are leaving your DNS records in your registrar, meaning that's where you purchased your domain. However, if you are looking to move your DNS records and name servers to Kajabi, be sure to watch this video where I walk you through the step-by-step process. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I will be happy to answer them, and I will see you in the next video.